Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today we are doing another wash and go. Well, it's not really wash and go, it's really me washing my hair, blow drying it, and then getting ready. Yeah, I'm really washing it and blow drying my hair, showing how I do all that. And yeah, so get tuned for the video and I'll see y'all in a bit. I'm about to go wash my hair and stuff, so I'll be right back.
I'm just gonna kill myself. Let me show y'all how fucking small this sink is, bro. I hit my head like 3 times. Look. Like, I gotta go fucking like this, bro. This is fucking embarrassing as fuck. Bro, this is embarrassing as fuck. Like, bro, what? Whatever. So, first I'm putting in this. Y'all can't really see me either. Let me see out of here. First I'm putting in this product, and I'm gonna put my product in outside the camera because y'all, I can't do it. I can't do it. Okay, I just put all the product in my hair now, and I'm just gonna. No, I think this is actually warmer. I think it's warmer than it. Thank God. But I'm not gonna go back in that shower, y'all. I had to take a little bird bath, wash my ass, because I was not gonna do that at all. Ow, fuck. Cold as fuck right now. Cold as fuck. Look at this shit right now. So it's okay. I just put the conditioner in my hair. Now I'm gonna wash it out. I'm gonna put this in here, re-enjoy this, and then I'm going to be done for now until I have to be finished and go back in that cold ass water. And y'all, just know, don't go to the comments, okay? This shit is counted on my cold shit. It's not bad. And don't think about saggy titties either. I'm not saying about saggy. I'm not saying about saggy. It's just the towel's underneath. The leg. Towel's underneath, okay? This is this. Not nothing else. Nothing nasty.
Y'all, never again. Like, I was having a whole mini seizure in the fucking shower. Never again. But like, I put my hair in this cute little ponytail. And I'm about to get ready to fucking deep condition my hair again. And then after that, I'm gonna show y'all my blow drying process, which is pretty easy, pretty quick, pretty fast, because nobody has time for all that, okay? See y'all in a little bit. Done with my bed and stuff. I'm washing laundry right now, but I'm back. My hair is looking so cute. I'm not gonna lie, I think that cold water shit actually works, bro. Y'all, I think it's time for me to change my methods, change my ways, because this cold water shit is making my hair look so moisturized. And I didn't put no product in it, y'all. No product is in this, and look at my hair. Look at it. Fucking moisturized as fuck. Like, what? That's like, it's like insane. But I'm gonna get my blow drying stuff. I'm gonna show y'all how I blow dry my hair. And I'm gonna show y'all how I blow dry my hair. Sorry, that was my freaking thing video, but I'm showing how I blow dry my hair.
good day.
Yeah, this is the end result. My hair is big as fuck, bro. Big as fuck. This is literally the end result to everything that I just did. I just brushed it out some more, a little bit. And then just trying to like get rid of these little curls. Well, I mean, they're supposed to be curls, obviously, if you look at it, but trying to get rid of these little curls and stuff. Just so it can be like a straighter blow dry type look. But yeah, it's good though. Like, this looks pretty good to me. Any comments down below, and I'll see y'all once my hair is about, my friends about through my hair. I'm gonna show y'all the process of all of that, and see y'all in a second. Mind the like other stuff, like if y'all see little food and stuff, it's because I eat here too. But this is something new. I got a shining gem. Period. So I got a 3-way mirror, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. This is fire. Look. Hey, beach. 3-way mirror. This quality looks so good right now. Oh my god. Ooh. And I also got this hair. I'm doing this hairstyle with beads that are knotless braids with curls and beads. So I got these two hairs here, and I got braided hair here. Then I bought this thing too, like this hair separator thing that I'm gonna try using today. I'm sorry y'all, my hand's always from the camera. And then I got this for the beads. They came with these little rubber bands, but I also got these ones. But I feel like these little ones might be a little better. They look like a lot thicker than these. I don't know if y'all can see the difference in rubber bands. Sorry, it's a little dirty, but I feel like these are thicker. I don't know. We will definitely see. And then I got, of course, the Shining Jam, my rat tail comb, and this foam thing that I was supposed to use for this boy's locks. But I didn't do his hair yet, so I'm going to use it still. Well, if I have enough left. Yeah. Also, shout out to my bestie. She got me a pretty mug for her club. And it's so cute. Okay. I'll be back when she comes over. Y'all, Bestie doing my hair just like I told y'all. I don't know if they can see, but I hope. Hooray! Hooray! That's good. We might do a how-to, but a how-to might take a while. But I'm gonna show y'all when she start doing it for what.
Okay, so this is what you wanna do. You wanna, y'all, that part kinda, listen, it's alright, it's okay, I promise, it's fine. So you wanna part it, gonna part it.
I don't know what the fuck you got going on.
Right, so parted it. You want to put the flash on? So we parted it. Her took a little curly one out, and now we braided. No, I got my nose atrocious. Now we braided. It's giving. This braid is giving. Look at that. Yeah. Okay.
There he is. And BMF in the background. Hey guys. So this is the final result. I don't mind my bed or nothing. I am clean from the trip, but as y'all can see, period, this is the final result and it's so cute. I love this hairstyle. My bestie did so great on it, y'all. I don't know if she showed y'all how she did it, but y'all, it looks so cute. And I'm about to have these in for a low hot minute, so period. But I'm about to go to sleep before my trip tomorrow, so I'm about to see y'all, I think, when I'm recording my next video.